Hi, welcome to a new tutorial on Building Vault. Today we're going to show you how to access your as-built drawings. So let's get started with that. After you've signed in, the next thing you want to do is select the client where your as-builts are located. So here you can see we're in Grand Prairie ISD, and our as-builts are going to be located in Dubitsky. So you'll see the list of facilities you have access to. Let's just type in Dubitsky to quicken our search. So here's Dubitsky. We're going to click View Facility. Once we're inside the facility, we know that our as-builts were part of a project, and that project was the 2009 Career High School. So we're going to go to Select a Facility Project, 2009 Career High School. Now we're inside this project, the 2009 Career High School. Select Project Documents, then select number 8 Closeouts, and then select number 3 As-Built Drawings. Now that's where you're going to find your different design disciplines for the as-built drawings. Here we're going to select Mechanical. And now you can see we've got a whole list of mechanical drawings, and you can extend your number of entries. And for mechanical, we can see we've got 26 entries. Then you just pick the drawing you're looking for. For instance, we may want to look at the geo well fields. And we just open it, and there they are. So if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to email us at info@buildingvault.com. Thank you.